All right, today we're going to bring a car battery tester and an OBD2 tester, right? Now, 2-in-1 on this one. Comes with your negative and positive connections for your battery, a little pouch to carry around and keep in your car. And look at the module, how small it is. And a couple of buttons you should be aware, right? There's an enter up and down, and plus and minus, or and an exit, all right? That's pretty much it. Now, you do have to connect this in your car. Cool. So let's go and test out everything. We're going to start with the battery first and see how it works. All right, so the way this thing works, all right, to do the battery test, you're going to require power, but unfortunately we don't have power right here. You can have a type C, but we're not going to carry that when you're driving and you're long distance, you want to test your battery. You plug these two in, all right, the two modules, all right, and remember the positive is going to be red when you plug it in. So we plug it in so we could give it power. All right, keep this two separate, don't get them together when you're actually connecting them, and then you go ahead and plug them in. Now to check the voltage on it, it has to be above 10. Normally it's 12 to 13 on some of these batteries, so depending how old your battery is, this is a good tester, tell you if you need to replace the battery or not. Negative and positive, so we're going to start with the positive first. Positive. Now you got to do is put the negative, and look at this, just power done right now. So we're gonna test our battery right now to see how good it is, and go. We could use Bluetooth mode, but we're not. We're just gonna go OB, and then we do a battery test. Battery, enter, and look at this, 12 volts, 12.17 volts. All right, so that's what we need. That's what we're looking for. Anything above 10, it's a still good battery. So this is a way to test your battery out of the box. No power necessary because it's using the battery power to power this up. All right, now let's take a look at the inside. You're gonna have to find your connection on your vehicle, right? So right now we're gonna connect it here. I'm gonna put you guys down for a bit, but it's basically you just plug it in here. All right, once you connect it, it is gonna power up, but it's not gonna completely work until you turn on the car. Make sure you to do any tests and stuff like that, you do need your vehicle on. So we also can test the batteries from this direction too, but we're just going to plug it in here and to see how it is. All right, we just turn on the vehicle so you guys can see the mode, but we're not moving. So we could do Bluetooth mode, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go into enter OB. Here, when you turn on the car, make sure you do we're going to do the testing. So we're going to enter here. It's going to do all the checklists, what we need, all right? And it's give you a bunch of different options and directions in things that you need to change. Ignition, sparks, 38, and so forth. This is something your mechanic will actually know, and there's also a cheat sheet online that you can find too, and the manual has a couple instructions here. So we're going to exit this part. We can erase codes, data stream, freeze frames, OBD2 tester, and compact test. Let's do the compact test. I never had this, so it's testing. We're going to enter. Evaporation system leak, test failure. So I'm going to exit that. Vehicle information, I don't want to show you vehicle information because you could get the VIN number. This device is perfect so when you're purchasing a car, and there's been a lot of thefts where people give the wrong VIN number, here you can verify because the digital is imprinted in your car. You can find out if your car that you're going to purchase has issues, if you're going to buy a used car. This device is very handy. A lot of people that sell cars hate this device because it tells a lot more than what they anticipate. So let's go exit here. Exit functions. Are you sure you don't know? So we're going to stay in function. We're going to go review, enter. And here's going to be a reading of everything that's in here. That's if you have any issues or any problems, everything turns out to check, but some of the stuff is not accessible because the car doesn't have it. But here you can see all the stuff that needs to be checked on. But so far so good. We haven't seen any issues, but if you do get errors, you can always look them up. Now this device makes a handy gift, and for you to carry around in case your car starts giving you problems. You need to change your oils and your message. You change the oil, but the message won't go away. This is a perfect way to get rid of those messages. Now, highly recommend you don't get rid of the important ones like the airbag and other devices, like for example flat tires. You always want to check those things out before you erase them. So very simple, easy to use, makes a great gift. I hope you guys enjoy the video.